guys, what's up? Here are my cousins. They're ringing the bell at Friendship Gardens. There's Amelia. Woo! I hope you guys heard that. Let's have Lindsay do it. I mean Lydia. Lindsay, you gonna ring the bell for me? Are you gonna ring the bell?
Mommy?
Yeah. Sure. Oh, she wants her mom to hold it. Okay, here she comes again. Let's ring the bell.
I want to ring it. I don't need any help. Lindsay! Come in. Oh, okay.
Woo! Good job. Good job. How about Lindsay's turn? Lindsay, are you going to ring the bell?
Want to ring the bell?
Good job, Amelia. What about you, Lindsay? Ring the bell.
Pull hard. Both hands.
Come on, you can do it. Pull it hard. Woo! Good job. Once more.